wait. Don't tell me she has options. What? Y'all.
Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show y'all how I made my very first headband wig. This wig that you see right now is an old frontal wig. It's my first wig I think I've ever made, my first human wig. And basically I messed this wig all the way up. Like, it was too small. I think the cap was too small for me, or the frontal or something. But yeah, I wore this wig one time and I just put it in the back. Like, it's 2 years old. So why not make a headband wig out of it? I've already separated the frontal hairs and I'm just going to be cutting that off so I can make room to sew on the elastic band. Right here, I didn't cut the frontal off perfectly, but for my first time, I think I did pretty well. I did miss a hair or two. Like, there's going to be hair sticking up at the top. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but I see it when I look at the wig. But for the first time, I think I cut it off pretty well. So I found this elastic band on Amazon. It wasn't much. I found majority of the things that I used to make this wig on Amazon. I found the headbands, the Velcro, and like I said, the elastic band. That's all you really need to make this headband wig, an old wig or a new wig, it's up to you. And elastic, needle and thread, and some headbands. Now that I'm all done sewing the elastic band onto the wig, I'm about to get my hair ready to apply the wig, because I had to figure out a new way to lay my hair, because knowing that the front part of my hair was going to be out, I had to lay it down and find out a way how to braid the back. So that's what you're about to see me do now. Get my edges together and yeah, just get ready to apply the wig. When my hair is going to be out for the majority of the time, I love to use spritz to lay my edges down and lay my hair down. It just lays it down so perfectly, and then I wrap it with the a paper wrap for a few minutes, and my hair is laid for a good amount of time. Like, I have to really wash it out for it to like become unstuck, because the spritz and the Lay by Lyra edge control really lays my hair down. So the headbands I use, like I said, I found them on Amazon. It's a variety pack, and I also had already went and bought some from Walmart, but the ones that I'm going to be using in this video are from the ones I have bought from Amazon. I will leave them in the description box below, along with everything else that I bought from Amazon. And this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this pushes you to either buy a headband wig or make your own. They are really convenient and really easy. But I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.